Hey guys, good to see you. I want you to, as soon as you get your supplies, which should have been today or yesterday, to document and practice using your materials. Now, all of your drawing materials, your pencils, your colored pencils, your crayons, your pens, all have unique capabilities, and we need to test them out. Any good artist will always test out their materials because different brands are made in different ways, have different ingredients, and to get them on paper, we can really start to see, well, one, how do they feel in our hand, and two, how is the paper reacting to our materials? And over the past 2 or 3 weeks, I've had the joy of purchasing some materials for you, but I've had no time to test them. So it's gonna be your job to help me go through these, and we can all figure out what we like, what we don't like, and we'll move on from there. Now, we also have different papers that I packed for you, and we're also going to be testing them on those other different papers, and maybe even gluing those little papers to our notebook. In this example, I tested our Staedtler Mars Lumograph 12 pencil set. Now, this is my pencil set. It's not one that's in your kit, but you have something very similar. And I went ahead and tested out all of the graphite pencils, and I labeled them. This is a 2B pencil, which I've already tested, but I'll do it again. 2B, and there is the brand right there, Mars Lumograph. And I like to do, especially drawing materials, I like to do these gradient bars of using a hatching method, which is just drawing in a straight line in the same direction next to each other. And I kind of use the most pressure here. So I'm really pressing hard or kind of hard, and then I slowly let up into very light lines. And then I label that 2B, and then I keep going. Now, you can do them with your pens. You can use these hatching lines with your pens. You can also draw separate little doodles if you want to and practice using those. Notice how detailed you can get with the really small pen, that 0.1 Faber-Castell Echo Liner pen. Try them out, test them out. This one's even using a mechanical pencil, which is a 0.5 mechanical pencil. You get really thin lines. If you've ever used a mechanical pencil, you know that lead, if you keep using it at the same angle, it will tend to flatten out and give you wider lines. So be wary of that. We will test a bunch of these out. There are some more examples I did with colored pencils where I documented those. So let's start documenting our supplies, and I will see you next time. Take care, guys. Be safe.